Namaste. Today we'll start with our session with a prayer. So close your eyes. Om Astoma Sadgamaya Tam Shoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityurma Amritam Gamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Kindly lead me from unreal to real, from darkness to light, from death to immortality. Let there be peace at all three levels by protecting from worldly, physical, and psychological troubles. Today we'll perform Paschimottanasana. Paschim literally means the west. It implies the back of the whole body from the head to the heels. In this asana, the whole back of the body is stressed. The anterior or eastern aspect is the front of the body from the face down to the toes. The crown of the head is the upper or northern aspect of the body, while the soles and heels of the feet form the lower or southern aspect of the body. This asana tones the abdominal organs and keeps them free from sluggishness. It tones the kidneys, rejuvenates the spine, and improves the digestion. So let us see how to perform this asana. So the first step in this asana is to be in the Nasan pose, that is to sit straight with your legs stressed, your back erect and straight, your both the hands beside your hips like this, and then take a deep breath, exhale, deep breath once again, exhale. Now take a deep breath, and when you exhale, lower your back and try to touch your forehead to your knees. So even if you are not able to touch your knees, it's okay. Whatever your body allows, lower your body to that level. Don't overstretch. People having any abdominal surgery or suffering from acute back pain, they should consult their doctors before performing this asana. So take a deep breath, exhale and lower your back. Hold your toes. With each exhalation, lower your back further. Be in this position for a minute. You can keep breathing. With each exhalation, try to push your back towards your knees. Come back. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Exhale. Let us do one more round of this asana. Take a deep breath. Exhale. Deep breath. Exhale. Now with this deep breath, and while we exhale, we lower our back towards our knee. Exhale. Lower your body. Try to touch your forehead to the knees. With each exhalation, push your body forward.
Don't lift your knees to touch your forehead. Be in this position for some 30 seconds. See the stretch in the lower back. See the stretch in your thighs.
Release and come back to Dandasana position. Take a deep breath. Relax. You might have noticed the spine of animals are horizontal and their hearts are below the spine. This keeps them healthy and gives them great power of endurance. In humans, the spine is vertical and the heart is not lower than the spine. So they feel the exertion and they are susceptible to the heart diseases. In Paschimottanasana, the spine is kept horizontal and the heart is at a lower level than the spine. A good stay in this pose massages the heart, the spinal column and the abdominal organs, which feels refreshed and the mind is rested. It is good to perform this asana every day, but your stomach should be empty. You should not have taken a heavy meal. Before doing any asana, you should have a gap of at least 4 hours, or maybe if you have taken a light meal, a gap of half an hour. So with this, I would end my session today. If you liked my session, please press like button, share with your friend and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Namaste.